आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि इस तरह का कार्टून कैरेक्टर कैसे बनाया जाता है। आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरी आईब्रो, पलके और मेरे बाल हिल रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि वीडियो ड्राइंग कार्टून 2 से बनाया गया है। अगर आप इस तरह का कैरेक्टर बनाना चाहते हैं तो यह वीडियो पूरा देखें।
Hello friends, welcome to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my own custom characters.
In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a character for drawing cartoon 2. So let's start the video. As soon as we open IBIS Paint, I'll add an image like this. We're going to create a character using this reference image. So we started on a new layer and used the curve tool to create it.
Friends, the intro you saw in the beginning, I created it using the Drawing Cartoon 2 app. And in today's video, we will create the same character that you saw in the video in the beginning. I have started creating the character in 4K. You can also create a 2D character. If your friend's phone does not support 4K, then you can create it in view. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created my unique cartoon characters. One of them is my own stylized character, and the other is inspired by Sikhenge, inspired by the basic character first. First of all, I started with a simple sketch. First of all, the body and the basic shape of the body and the legs are straight. The proportions are correct. Then the character is drawn. Then the character is drawn. Then the details are correct. Then the whole sketch is finalized with confident lines. And then I choose the colors that I have, and the combination of colors makes the character even more attractive. What video have I seen different styles, and your impressions? How many different characters can be created if you also want to find a drawing? And remember that even if the lines are not perfect in the beginning, after creating this nose, we'll create circles for the eyes. We'll create them separately for animation, so we left them blank. We'll create a little dash of eye, which we'll attach later to help us identify the correct location. It's a bit too large, but we'll adjust it later. Characters can be created by you if you also want to explore daring. And remember, not every line needs to be perfect. Please forward it, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will definitely tell you in the next video. So friends, you need to create a character that matches your channel's category. For instance, if you have a horror cartoon channel, the character must be designed in a horror style. I am teaching you how to create a horror cartoon character here. And in future videos, I will teach you how to create characters for other categories as well. I will also share these characters on my Telegram channel, so you can use them in your videos. You are about to watch the Drawing Cartoons 2 tutorial. Drawing might seem a bit difficult at first, but gradually you will get the hang of it and find it easy to create them. Adding a character might seem tricky the first time, but once you have added it, you won't need to add it again. Drawing Cartoons tutorial. Make a design of yours, friend. You can improve it by adding different designs. I didn't design this one, I just made it simple. correct explanation is 30 minutes. It took me, and I made it very slowly. You can see in this character that I did not make it with much detail. So in the next video, I will tell you how to make the character even better than this. So don't miss the tutorial and like the video if you like it. I have duplicated everything here, and now we will give it color. So you can take the face color of any character and take a good color for the dress, so that the dress color should be very attractive in the cartoon, which the viewers like, and the character looks better in it. We have prepared all the things, and we have duplicated the things which were needed. So now we will color the hair of the character, and we will also see which hair looks good with this character. So black color will be fine, and we will also add the color of the character as well so that our character looks good. If you like the color of this character, then we will add that color. So I have to look for a good color here. I liked this pink color, so I am adding it for combination. If you do not have the Drawing Cartoon 2 app installed, you can also install it from Play Store. But you will be able to add 4 characters in it. And I have given the app of Drawing Cartoon 2 on my Telegram channel. In that, you can add a lot of characters. Here, to add character, you should know the correct shape of the bone and how you can add the bone. In this, you can put 1 slip point on the character and many more on the bone, so that if you attach something, it can be attached. Well, then you have to apply this bone correctly. So here you can see how I put it, can do. What are custom characters? So for that, you see on Telegram channel. Download and install from there. If a friend does not know the method, then in the next video, I will tell you how to download and install the app. You'll have to wait for the next video for that. So, this is how I open the app. First, I attached the body. Then I attached this bone. And after that, I attached a second bone so that we could move the head up and down. This will be very useful during animation. If I had attached it directly, we wouldn't have been able to create that animation. I could have added the head separately, but instead, I attached it to the structure. I created the eyebrows separately so we could add them as animations. You can see that I'm adding each one separately, so we can animate them. The way this character is dressed, the way you can see this character is dressed. He will not be able to ride the cycle with the Draw Cartoon 2 app, but I found a solution for this. We will change his dress a little, and after that we will ride the cycle also. So for that you will watch the next video. Watch it and tell us how you liked it. Then I will make a separate video for you. So, I haven't created the character's lips, so we'll add these lips and the character's hand here. In the next video, I'll show you how to create them yourself, as they won't be clearly visible. Thanks for watching this video.